Hello fellow faculty, this is Celia Houston. I just want to show you how to do the SLO data collection for this semester. We are still looking at doing every course, every section, every semester, but instead of using these data collection sheets that we've been using for the past 3 semesters, we are going to get rid of those and go to something that should be much simpler. And we're going to be reporting in the cloud, which is we're calling our SBVC SLOCloud. So let me take us over to that cloud, and what we want to do to get there is just log into Web Advisor. So if you go here, click Login and choose Web Advisor. You just log in as you normally would as faculty when you're getting your class rosters or your grades or anything that you use Web Advisor for. You are logged in. Of course, you want to go to your faculty menu, and then over here on the left with the faculty information, there's a new link now. It's SBVC Valley's SLO submission, and this is the link you want to follow to get into the SLO cloud and do your submission. So it's fairly simple. In the beginning, all you do is just drop down, select your division, the semester you're going to report for, pick your department. I'm going to go with automotive today. Pick the course you're instructing. Let's see, 052, and then pick the section. So if you need to know if you're section 1 or section 2. The first little box here is a place where you can enter text, and this is just where you're going to be doing a little note about what assessment methodology you're using and what criteria you might be using. And I'm going to keep it simple and just say I'm going to go with a final project. And I'm going to say the criteria is student is able to properly prepare so with apologies to automotive for being so simple here, but I just want to get kind of an idea of what kind of assessment method or criteria. And if this field is blank, then it is up to each individual faculty member to put in whatever is appropriate as an assessment method or criteria for their course. There are a couple of programs out there like English and Communication Studies where they have chosen to do a department assessment, and then the information comes up already filled in. So right now, the page on down here, our course SLOs are already loaded, and the SLO statements come from the Vice President of Instruction's website. So this is what is officially on file for the class, and what everybody should use for each section of any given course that is being taught. We've made the reporting a lot simpler. Instead of having the 4 columns, we just have 2. So, number of students who assessed, 20 students took the test, 19 of them passed. All you have to do is put in the number assessed and the number who passed. The reflection area, this is where you can put in anything that might have occurred to you as you went through the class. You tried something new that worked really well. You have a new textbook. You created a PowerPoint to go over a specific problem area. You're seeing learning gaps, or you're seeing areas where students are doing well. This is just kind of to track your thoughts. It's so the information is available for the future. Again, keep it very simple here. And once you get down to the bottom, you hit submit and save, or save and submit, and you are done. You will receive an email to your faculty email box that lets you know that it's been submitted and gives you that confirmation. And that is very simply how we're reporting SLOs this semester. So I'm going to take us through a different one really quick here, since I told you about Communication Studies and how they have created a common assessment. I'll just show you how that works. So if your department's created a common assessment, that information is preloaded for you so that you don't have to type anything in. And then your SLO statements are here. again, just do, I never did better than that. Let me try. Okay. Just put in the number of students assessed, the number of students who met. So it doesn't matter how many students were enrolled, it doesn't matter how many students didn't take the test. We're just doing simply number assessed, number who met. In a reflection statement, this is where you can get a little more qualitative information, things the numbers don't capture, and again, save and submit. Now if you have any problems when you are looking at your SLOs, you get into it, and once you're there, you don't have any SLO statements, contact me, and I will follow up and get it taken care of. There are some areas where we don't have SLO statements, or where the statements are not as up to date as the website is. So if you get to this point and you see an SLO statement and you believe it's incorrect, check with your department chair, have somebody shoot me the correct SLOs, and I will get them updated by the end of the day, if not within the next hour, if I'm sitting at my desk and take care of it right away. So again, here's my contact information. My extension is 8574 as well, but quite honestly, email is the quickest way to reach me. And again, this is our SLOCloud. It does a lot of other things, but I don't want to overburden people right now. All we were interested in looking at right now is how to report your course information. So, select your course in your section, type in your assessment method and criteria, put in your results, in your reflection statement, save and submit, and you will get an email letting you know that you have submitted your SLOs. So call me if there are any questions. Thank you.